Good afternoon, folks. Well, I got off work today at lunchtime, came home. Yeah, our Wisteria decided it didn't like our porch no more, so it decided to lop over. So now we got to refix it and get it back up there where it belongs and tied up. I gather the string that we had it on, the twine, aged and snapped, and so now we have a mess. Lovely mess. All right, folks. Well, after the missus helped me and we got it back up temporarily, it still needs a lot of work to get done, but we're going to let it bloom out for the rest of the year just because it's too pretty and we don't want to lose the blossoms on them. But this lower piece right here is the one that's actually the leader. And what we want to do is wrap it back up this way and start to move towards the pergola and up the pergola. And to prevent damage the rest of this year, we're just going to let it go and just let it be for the moment. But for now, repair job, quick, easy, and dirty, but it's back up there where it belongs. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, this morning, late morning, yapping with the missus. And these two plants, this one right here and this one right here, these are Nandinias. And she wants them moved because they're just not observed very well there. Placement is fine, but we just want them in a better location. So today we're going to move them from here over this yonder to here. We're going to put one right here, one right there. That'll fill in this area a little bit. We have over here at this blue flag, we got cannas there, or calla, excuse me, oxblood calla there. And then these right here are dwarf cannas. And then where we just put this, it's probably kind of hard to see actually, it really is hard to see. But anyhow, where this tomato fencing is, right below that is another calla. And that one is a black leaf with a, well, it's really a super, super deep purple, almost kind of like this barberry. And the flower is about the same way as, no, excuse me, that's an elephant ear. A black leafed elephant ear like this. Not like that, but that color. Anyhow, so right now we're going to dig these holes, transfer them over, and move it over. I'll get back with you here pretty quick. All right, well, there's that, folks. Wifey's gonna be happy. Well, at least the smile says so anyways. So there we have it. Until later.